Hello everyone. Is your Gmail showing storage full or are you unable to receive new emails? Don't worry, here are some easy ways to free up storage quickly. Step 1. Check Google Storage. First, open Gmail and tap your profile picture. Then tap Manage your Google account and go to Storage. Here you can see how much storage is being used by Gmail, Google Drive and Google Photos. Step 2. Delete unwanted emails. Open Gmail and delete emails you no longer need, especially emails with large attachments. Also empty the trash and spam folders to free up more space. Step 3. Delete large files from Google Drive. Open Google Drive and remove unwanted videos, documents, or large files that are taking up storage. Step 4. Check Google Photos storage. Open Google Photos and delete unnecessary photos or videos. Large videos often use a significant amount of Google storage. Step 5. Empty trash folders. After deleting files from Gmail, Google Drive, or Google Photos, don't forget to empty the trash folders. Otherwise, the files will continue to use storage. Step 6. Buy additional Google storage. If you still need more space, you can upgrade your Google storage plan through Google One. Final tip. Remember, Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos share the same Google storage. Clearing space in any of these apps can help solve the Gmail storage full issues. And that's it. These steps should help fix the Gmail storage full issues quickly. Like, subscribe, and share for more easy Android tips. Thank you.